In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a handwritten text effect in After Effects, so let's get to it. First, I'll create a new composition. It will be 1920 by 1080, 30 frames per second. Click OK, then select the type tool and type something. Let's go for write. I'm using Freestyle Script Irregular with a size of 500 pixels as the font. I'm going to align the text in the center of the composition using the Align tab. Then I'll left click on the layer so it's highlighted, then select the pen tool or press G on the keyboard as a shortcut. Then I'll start creating a mask on top of the text, following the path all the way. The first point I'll create will not be on top of the text, it'll be somewhat outside of it, then the second point can be on top of the text. And I will proceed tracing over the text, and you don't have to be super precise, just make sure that the mask path that you create is somewhat in the middle of the text stroke or the text path. So here, take a time and trace over the first letter. And once you finish tracing over the first letter, you can either bring this mask to the second letter, or you can create a brand new mask by left clicking on the layer so it's highlighted, then create a new point, and you can see that creates a separate mask, and you can continue tracing over the second letter. And again, as you finish tracing over the second letter, left click on the layer and proceed to the next one. And here I'm going to speed this up so you don't have to wait. So once you've finished tracing over all the letters, open Effects and Presets window and search for Stroke Effect, then add Stroke Effect to the text layer, then head over to the Effect Controls panel. First thing you want to change is the paint style, set it to Reveal Original Image, then make sure you check all masks and also stroke sequentially should be checked as well. Then increase the brush size until you can see the text completely. And this will be different for the type and the size of the text that you're using, so 30 works fine in my case. Then I'm going to move the time indicator to the start of the timeline, create keyframe for end by clicking the stopwatch, set the value to 0%. I'll move 2 seconds forward and set end to 100%. Then I'll press U to see the keyframes on the timeline, drag and select them both, right click any of them, keyframe assistant, ease, or you can press F9 as a shortcut. And if we preview this should give us the handwritten effect. Yep, applied to the text. Very, very simple as you can see. It might not be perfect because I was trying not to waste the time. If you want like the perfect results, you can really take your time and be very, very precise and create a really cool handwritten effect. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.